All right, these days we are all scrolling social media, sharing photos, celebrating milestones, and posting it without thinking twice. But if you're involved in a legal case, that innocent post, well, it could become evidence. Imagine filing an injury claim after a car accident and then posting a picture that makes it look like you're perfectly fine. Well, that could definitely hurt your case.
Absolutely. So before we get into what you should and shouldn't post, we want to ask you, do you think social media is interfering too much in our daily lives? You can send the QR code you see on your screen there, or you can go to kdka.com/connect.
Yeah, and already many people are saying yes.
Yes.
All right, as you're weighing in, we are joined by Brandon Keller from Edgar Snyder and Associates to help us navigate the intersection of social media and the law. Brandon, I think this is so interesting and really, in this day and age, something we always need to talk about.
Yeah, I agree with that, especially because of how prevalent it is. You know, if everyone feels some sort of pressure to put every single moment of their lives online, and it could have certain repercussions depending on what's going on in your life, such as a legal claim.
Yeah, and I think we all have an idea of what social media is, but can you break it down? Because some people, you might be missing part of it and post something someplace that you're not really thinking of.
Yeah, that's a really good point. So, the classics, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, but, there's YouTube, there's LinkedIn, essentially anything you're putting out there or someone's putting out on your behalf, could be your employer, could be a family member. These are all the kind of things that we want to make sure we talk to clients about when we have them on as a personal injury client, because we want to see what's out there.
So let's talk about, like, in an instance, to give an example. So after a car accident, for instance, why could it matter what is on your social media feed?
Sure. So if you have social media posts that happen pre-accident, it could show your pre-accident condition. So if there are certain things that, a social media post might say, oh, looks to me like his back might have been bothering him when he was doing, this yoga pose 3 weeks before the accident, right? It could also mean after an accident, you could be, and it's just one moment in time, right? So you could be a week after an accident, you're supposed to be in a boot per your doctor, and maybe you're doing something for work, and you are, doing a social media post. There's nothing on your leg because you wanted to give a good face for, your employer and social media. Well, that could be used against you, even though it's that one moment in time, and it doesn't tell the whole picture of how your pain was that day.
Yeah.
Interesting. All right, and so what does the law specifically say about social media?
All right, so when you are injured in an accident and you have an attorney and you have a claim open with an insurance company, they can and will get all of the information they can. Now, what you can do, and what I think folks should do, is set their settings to private. When it comes to their social media, when they have a claim. They're not to delete anything, but really it's important to go in and make sure the settings are private so just your friends and family are able to look at it.
Yeah, so that's not suspicious, like changing it to private, but deleting something with the attorneys on the other side might be able to say, like, look at what they deleted.
That's correct. That's correct. So generally speaking, it's fine to set things to private, but if you delete something, it could lead to sanctions down the road. It could end up being a problem.
Yeah, this is interesting because it's really opening my eyes to how much people pay attention to what you post on social media. Like, even the small things, they don't go unnoticed.
No, it's always the fine details. It could be something as simple as taking, let's say you're injured in an accident, and then 6 months later you take, a modest trip, to, let's say, Erie or something, right? And you're making a post with your family. You're holding up your baby. Something that is just so, minuscule and run of the mill and just a family photo. That's the kind of stuff that could be dug into, and they're looking at every little aspect of that photo. So you got to watch.
And you also say, do not document the accident on social media. Don't try to litigate it online.
No, leave that to your attorney. Yeah, absolutely. Because if you're on there saying this is what happened, they're going to pick apart not just what you say, how you say it, what's in the background. I mean, it really, as you were saying, it gets down to the minuscule. So you really have to be
not a professional. Lean on your attorney for a reason. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. That should be a decision between you and your attorney, and a conversation to have up front.
Really interesting.
Yeah, no, people
about.
Post and don't think about it, and so this is a great conversation.
Absolutely.
All right. And the majority of our viewers at home said yes. Social media has become a little too interfering too much in our lives right now. Yeah,
I agree.
Not surprised by that.
Not at all.
No, me neither.
Well, thank you very much. We appreciate it.
Of course.
All right. Well, thanks to Edgar Snyder and Associates for sponsoring today's Straight to the Point segment. I learned a lot there.
We did. All right, Bubba, horses and a star-studded Pittsburgh showdown. Yeah, he raced against some local celebrities at the Meadows. Bubba raced, but did he cross the finish line? Find out next on Pop Talk Live. He looks like he's having fun.